Greetings of good news, dear Louisians.
Get inside the scoop and stay in the know. Get ready to dive into the latest updates within the USL community.
Keep yourself informed as we gather as one Louisian community. This is USL PASSIRIMMMU. We welcome the second month of the year. Just when we were getting cozy with January, February has arrived, bringing with it a fresh burst of positivity.
Yes, Sir Kyle, the air of love surrounds us this February as we welcome the month of hearts with heightened anticipation, not just for our significant others, but for ourselves, our family and friends, and for the Almighty.
Indeed, Doc Riza, the month of hearts brings out the romantic in all of us. But here in USL, it also brings out the Louisian excellence in us. Warm your hearts this February as we delve into the good news around the university. We now share with you a series of good news here in USL PASSIRIMMMU.
Good news number 1. Former students of the university filled the main campus with nostalgia as they gathered for the 2023 USL Grand Alumni Homecoming on December 29, 2023. A Eucharistic Mass held at the Good Shepherd Chapel commenced the event, followed by the program proper held at the 𝗪𝗪𝗦𝗠𝗪𝗔𝗧𝗖𝗛. All alumni held a tribute to the 𝗪𝗔𝗦𝗦𝗜𝗥𝗠𝗠𝗨 in which they were given gifts and recognition. The 1998 high school batch who hosted the homecoming entertained the audience with lively performances and exciting raffle draws.
SUCAN is a worldwide mathematics certification program and examination established in Japan in 1988 in partnership with Asian Psychological Services and Assessment, aimed at evaluating math teachers' proficiency according to international standards. The test took place in Las Piñas, Manila on November 25, 2023. Congratulations!
Good news number 3. The Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants USL chapter demonstrated exceptional skills and prowess at the 6th Regional Mid-Year Convention, defending their reign as undisputed champions. USL prevailed over 9 schools in the region during the 3-day event held on January 6 to 8, 2024 at the Isabela State University Echagua campus. Congratulations to JPI USL students and mentors for the outstanding feat.
Good news number 4. The Louisian community warmly welcomed Reverend Father John Mark Baroga CICM to the University of St. Louis as its new university chaplain. Father Baroga celebrated his first Mass at USL during the Sunday Mass held on January 7, 2024 at the Good Shepherd Chapel on the solemnity of the Epiphany of the Lord. Welcome to USL and congratulations on your new appointment, Father Baroga.
Good news number 5. The different schools of the college department recently extended recognition to the academic of the university in a ceremony held on December 13, 2023 at the 𝗪𝗪𝗦𝗠𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗠. The university conferred 130 white card, 255 blue card, and 436 green card awards to the academic scholars who achieved exemplary performances in the first semester of the academic year. Congratulations to everyone!
Good news number 6. The University of St. Louis joined the most anticipated gathering in the 2023 National Physical Education Convention held at De La Salle Santiago Zobel School, Muntinlupa City on December 16 to 18, 2023. SEAITE Department Head Mrs. 𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗖𝗛𝗠𝗠𝗨 and Best MAPE Coordinator Mrs. Joanne Adukul, together with 2 BPED students, 𝗪𝗔𝗦𝗦𝗜𝗥𝗠𝗠𝗨 and Floyd Nicole Naranjo, represented the university. The convention sought to continuously innovate and empower the community to meet the demands of the modern era.
Good news number 7. The University of St. Louis, in partnership with Mr. Elijah S. Valeros and his family, recently held a medical and dental mission for the residents of San Antonio Enrile on December 28, 2023. The initiative sought to provide free medical consultations and health education to adults, and dental hygiene education and fluoridization services to children. Furthermore, snacks were generously distributed during the mission.
Good news number 8. The University of St. Louis gathered students across Region 2 for a virtual information session on January 20, 2024 on various global education programs between the Philippines and the United States of America. In partnership with the Philippine-American Educational Foundation, the students learned more about open and upcoming programs such as the Global Undergraduate Exchange Program, the Fulbright Distinguished Awards in Teaching Program for International Teachers, and the Fulbright Foreign Student Program.
Good news number 9. Employees of the university celebrated Wellness Friday with an energy-filled Zumba session and an exciting sports fest held on January 19, 2024 at the James Termier Gymnasium and USL Open Field. This HRMDO-led initiative signifies a renewed commitment to the well-being of the university's workforce, encouraging a healthy work-life balance within the workplace and enhancing overall job satisfaction.
Good news number 10. The School of Accountancy, Business and Hospitality and the School of Education, Arts and Sciences held several coating, pinning, and candlelight ceremonies on January, marking the official transition of its students into their internship roles. The ceremony signifies an important milestone in the students' educational journey, serving to honor their accomplishments as they shift from the role of students to that of official interns. Business Administration, Management Accounting, Tourism Management, Hospitality Management, and Teacher Education students took part in the separate ceremonies.
You have just heard a series of good news about the latest achievements and happenings in the university. Our mission of constant dedication to service ensures that everyone involved has a remarkable experience.
With its unwavering commitment to teaching, learning, service, and stewardship, the University of St. Louis continues to provide its students and stakeholders with quality standards of education.
And as a lifetime mission, the university is dedicated to the integral human formation of the youth who will become mature Christians and active members of the church.
It's been a pleasure to share our good news with you all.
We thank everyone who has listened and stayed with us. See you next month for another episode of USL PASSIRIMMMU.